Let's take a look at how to successfully complete the 3A reverse exercise for a C+E vehicle. This test is essential to pass before you can take your on-road test. You must manoeuvre the vehicle around the B cone and into the bay while staying within the yellow boundary line. First, you need to get into the starting position for the exercise. To do this, slowly move forward, keeping your vehicle close to the B cone, about a foot away. Continuously check your near side mirror to monitor the position of cone B. Stop when the front of your vehicle is positioned between cone A and cone A1. Use the proximity mirror at the front of the vehicle to ensure your vehicle is centered between cones A and A1. Then, check your position relative to the yellow boundary lines. You ideally want to be closer to cone A. This is to ensure that when completing the reverse maneuver, you do not go outside of the offside boundary line. You need to be able to see the B cone in your near side mirror. Once your vehicle is straight and positioned, apply the handbrake. As you can see in the diagram on screen, you now need to reverse the vehicle around the B cone and straighten up. Engage the reverse gear and remove the handbrake while checking your inside and offside mirrors, as well as your blind spots. As you slowly begin to move the vehicle, steer one full turn to the right as you start to reverse. Ensure to keep the vehicle under control and continue to check your mirrors. As you spot the mark on the headboard, shown here by the red circle, steer two full turns to the left. Keep an eye on the corner of the headboard as it approaches the yellow boundary line. Begin to straighten the wheels by turning your steering wheel to the right until the trainer and the unit are aligned. At this stage, you should be able to see cone B clearly in your right-hand mirror. Continue to reverse past the B cone, ensuring you are clear of it. As the trailer and the unit come around the cone and line up together, you should now see both C cones, the ones with the poles at the entrance of the bay. Now is the time you can shunt forward to correct the alignment and position of the vehicle if needed. As you can see, you can now see the C cones, the one with the poles, in both mirrors. Next, keep your vehicle moving slowly and steadily as you reverse into the bay. You need to stop the vehicle when the rear of the trailer is within the black and yellow hatch markings on the floor, ensuring not to hit the barrier. Once in position, apply the handbrake, select neutral and switch off the engine. You can now exit the vehicle to check your position within the bay. Remember, stay within the boundary, avoid crossing over the boundary lines or displacing any cones. Maintain control, keep your vehicle slow and steady throughout the manoeuvre. Observe continuously, make sure to observe all around you constantly during the exercise. And use your shunts. If needed, don't hesitate to use the shunts available to reposition your vehicle.